Hello and welcome to the Cyber video tutorial on setting up and using sequence number fields in MarkMagic's platform-independent version. Sequence number fields allow you to add a reference number to your format that will increment every time you print using that format, and MarkMagic will keep track of that number in between your print jobs so that you don't need to include it in your data. In our example, we're going to set up a simple unique invoice number to appear on our form in the top right corner. The first step here is to define the sequence number, so we're going to click Utilities at the top, open Sequence Numbers, and click Work with Sequence Numbers. Click on the Add button to create a new sequence. Provide a group and a name, which you will need to reference later when you're adding this to the format. I'm going to use Invoice for the group and INV num for the name. For length, I'm going to use 6, and the decimals here are 0 since it's a whole number. I'm going to start my sequence at the number 400,000, so I'll place this in the current value as well as the starting sequence number, and the increment value is 1. The ending sequence number is 999,999, basically the maximum allowed for that number of digits, and we will not define anything for the reset options at the bottom. Now press OK and then save and close out of this window. Now we need to add the sequence to our format. As you can see in the top right corner, I've created a text field for our invoice number. I'll double click on that to edit it. And in order to link that created sequence to this field, we need to change the field name from star heading to star SEQ. Once that's done at the bottom, you can set the group and the name of the sequence. Now press OK, and that's it. Now whenever you print the format, each time will include a unique number in the top right. And if you go back in and view the sequence, you can see that the current value field is actually displaying the next number that will be used when you print. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you for using MarkMagic.